Welcome to the crypto nest. So Solana, let's check out what it's doing. So first of all, encouraging sign is if I use the log chart and I zoom in a little bit, we can see that I can actually rely 2 points here and put this downtrend line. Well, for sure, if I do another one here, we are already reacting a little bit. But I would say that the larger downtrend here, it's the one that we want to pay more attention to. And then also, now I'm going to get out from the log chart. Okay, so I would say this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also count it as a 1, 2, and this is another 1, 2 with a very shallow 2. Then this is a 3, a 4, and a 5. It all work. I would say that this was an A, and this is a B, C to complete the wave B. And now here we're doing maybe the C wave. Now, if that is the case, all right, let me see. So this could have been a 1, very shallow 1, 2 again, and then this would have been the third, and you know, all this could be the fourth in a diagonal. So if that is the case, it was the 3. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll see a lower low. So this is still possible. So I just want to put it there, so we are aware. Now, also we need to see that you know, since this cycle and the end of the first wave, we did the wave 2. Maybe it's not completed, but we are currently already below the 0.886, which is not great to stay below that level for a long period of time. Now we are there since November last year. So it's really time to you know, continue to react to what is doing lately, because it was flat dead for a while, and then it's really important to regain this level at least. That's going to be the first step for Solana. If you know, if you want investor to, you know, have more hope. All right, so now, in this fourth leg, maybe we did okay, let me see here, because also, can we count it as a 1, 2? This was a very steep 3, it makes sense. This is the 4, and then eventually we want to do the 5 within this fourth wave. Maybe now start to be less likely. Let me do the Fibonacci retracement of that, of let's say if I put it here, you see, we're still, I'm going to put it in red, and actually we put it for a wave 2. Oh no, it's green. Okay, so no, sorry, this is supposed to be a wave 4. Okay, so we just tip out from the maximum of what a wave 4 can do, but we're still in that territory. So, you know, it's still possible. And then until we don't really get out, I don't know, maybe reach $28, you know, this wave 4 is still possible. And then we're going to do another lower low. And if that is the case, let me just see for fun what would be the 1-to-1 ratio. Let's say we already saw the top of the wave 4. So it's going to be $8.98. I think we already reached something below that. We had $8.99. Wow, okay. So 1 cent lower, guys. Is it? Because it looks like he has a wick lower though. Okay, $7.96. So $7.96. So we should go just below, and then that would be valid for a wave 5, or we can also have a truncated wave 5. Okay, so that's enough for the bearish count. Now let's go more into the bull count. So let me go on the 1 hour. Okay, so I believe this was our first wave in blue. We had 5 waves. I can actually count 3 waves down. This was A, the B, and this was the C. We actually reached this minimum almost ideal retracement. Okay, let me go on the day and take out this because it's a little bit distracting. Okay, so we completed successfully the wave B. It did react to these levels. We also we can say that now we'll react to this uptrend now line, so it's going to be a reference. So reacted to the Fibonacci retracement for a wave 2. Now we have maybe a reference as an uptrend line, and now we are starting to do this first wave in orange. Now, can I zoom out a little bit more? I put in the 4 hours. I already did like an ideal. So this was our first wave in blue in 1. This was the wave 2 pullback. So the third wave in blue should reach between $43 and $46. I'm rounding it up. And the fifth wave should go around $62 to, let's say, $64. Okay, that's you know, a lot of things need to be bent on to go to those prices. Let's remember also that crypto usually goes beyond a lot of time the 1.618, and this is, I just did the 1.618 level and a 2.618 for a level 2 and for a wave 5. My god. Okay, and then so now I believe we started this third wave in blue. Within this third wave we are going to have 5 waves, and I believe we started to do this first wave. Now, how far can we go? Well, as you can see, I can draw this. We're doing a diagonal, in my opinion. We can still go higher, and then now with the news of tomorrow, it's going to change. As you can see, today we're in green, and Bitcoin didn't move. You know, it barely moved. And yesterday, you know, Bitcoin, it was almost acting as a stable coin, you know, it like doesn't move as much. And then altcoin, they were dropping, so no, that's crazy. Maybe it's because of the bet of yesterday that people start to FOMO. I don't know. You know, I don't know if you heard about the bet that one guy, he said that he's betting $1 million that Bitcoin will reach 1 million by the end of on the 17th of this June. That's like 90 days. I don't know, maybe people, they start selling their alts and buy Bitcoin. I don't know. Anyway, now we're back in track at least. So I would say, you know, all the gains we did today, maybe just the loss of yesterday, is it? No, today at least we are a little bit. Yeah, I would say yesterday we were about this price. Yeah, okay, so alright, let's go back to Solana then. So I would say we still have a place to go higher, and then eventually we are going to complete this first wave of the third wave, and we're going to have the pullback. So depending on where we're going to end this first wave, I don't know. Let me see here. What is that? Yeah, until the first wave is not finished, we cannot estimate where it's going to end up the pullback for the wave 2. So is this a nice moment to buy? I would say, you know, maybe me, I'm debating as well. Okay, so I would say that maybe I'm going to wait. For sure, here was the ideal place to buy. It was $15, or let's say 16. Now, I would say, let me see, I'm going to wait, I think, for the wave 2 and check if it reacts to the minimum requirement. When it's going to go into the 0.5, I'm going to get some, and then if it goes lower, I'm going to, you know, increase my my shares. I think I'm going to do it that way because it's going to be, I find, in my opinion, safer. And then also I'm going to have one indication, because I have 5 waves up and complete a bigger wave. I will have a bigger wave 2 with actually 3 waves down for ABC. So like one cycle it's completed, and then after that I will have another 1, 2, and then within this 1, 2 I want to see 5 waves up again and 3 waves down once again. Ideally I want to see the wave 2 stop either at this uptrend line, or, well, now it's hard to say how high it's going to go, but I want to also to see the price react to the Fibonacci retracement. When this first wave is going to be completed, we will be able to calculate that. So I'm going to have 2 reference to so the price can react. So this is my strategy for Solana. Now if we check the RSI 4 hours, nothing much to say. It's kind of going on the side and price is going higher. So yeah, I don't know. And then the momentum, it's in a decline. So maybe is it price getting start to be exhausted? Who knows, right? And then, but on the daily, it still has more. It can still go much higher. It can reach higher levels because it has fuels. So honestly, everything is going to depend on tomorrow meeting. Actually, I'm going to do a video on what to expect for tomorrow, and you can implement that on your strategy, maybe for Solana. Alright, so please like the video, so it's going to help to reach out for other users. And then yeah, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.